How are you doing, everybody? It's Robert from Euronics. We're here today at the Bosch Home of Innovation in Ballymount in Dublin. We're kindly joined by Paula Furlong, who's the national trainer for Bosch, and Paula today is kindly going to bring us through this heat pump dryer. And I'll just point out before we go any further, this is the match to the IDOS washing machine that we have in the other video.
Yeah.
So first and foremost, give me the quick background on this dryer.
Okay, well, as you mentioned, it's a heat pump dryer, but what's different about this one is you have the self-cleaning condenser in this model. Plus, similar to our washing machine, you have the 5-year warranty, so straight away you've got peace of mind when you buy this.
And the big thing is the energy rating, which isn't on this, it's A++.
Yes, and it's A++ energy rated as well.
Okay, so I know what heat pump is, you know what heat pump is, but there's a lot of technology around it. So how do we make that simple for the consumer?
Okay, so essentially when a customer buys a heat pump dryer, they're buying it on the basis of energy efficiency.
Yeah.
The reason it's so energy efficient is because it uses slightly different technology. It doesn't have a heating element, and it's going to save, first and foremost, on up to 60% of your energy. How it does that is it uses, if you can imagine, a closed system.
Yeah.
So that closed system takes the air from the room and it recirculates it inside the drum during the cycle. And basically it keeps doing that using a compressor and an evaporator. So it's really, really energy efficient.
So it's reusing its own energy throughout the cycle?
Yes.
So it's not consuming all the time. That's brilliant. The big thing was we spoke about earlier on is dryers and maintenance around dryers. And traditionally with condenser dryers, there's all that work where you have to reach in here, you pull out your condenser unit, you have to clean it. And if you don't clean it, what happens? It drops its energy ratings.
Yeah.
This is different.
No. Yeah, this is completely different. So again, you can see on the front, it's called the self-cleaning condenser. So it's basically cleaning itself while it's working. So it does it up to 4 times. It actually cleans everything underneath here that normally on other dryers has to be removed. So it's really, really simple, low maintenance, nothing needs to be done for cleaning. The only thing we recommend that the customer does is they clean the lint filter. So this is important to clean, but everything else is done during the cycle. And the advantage of that, again, from an energy point of view, is that it'll maintain its energy efficiency for life, so it'll never drop the way it can with some of the standard
So it'll always
dryers.
maintain that A++.
Yes.
And I think that's a huge thing because cleaning the condenser unit on the dryer is a pain in the neck.
Yeah.
It's laborious, it's time consuming. All that's now gone with my.
Yeah.
A couple of features I like on it that you pointed out to me earlier. So first and foremost, when you look at the drum, it's back to that light in the drum. I love that. I just think it's a simple thing that makes life easy.
See everything, even when you open the door, you can see everything. And the other really nice feature as well is on all of our heat pump dryers, in particular on this one here, we also have a drain kit. So for the extra convenience for the customer, rather than having to empty out that manually, you can just connect that on the back of the dryer and drain it out with your washing machine. So less maintenance
truly
and
is
less work involved.
a maintenance-free machine.
Yeah.
And it really is an energy efficient.
Extremely energy efficient.
So if you want to buy
Huge
any appliance in your house that will save you money, it's probably one of these.
Yeah, and it's the one that everyone is scared of as well because they think that it consumes a lot of energy, but heat pumps don't do that.
So for a busy family that's using the dryer a lot, it's a must.
Yes.
Heat pump is the way to go.
Absolutely. The other reason as well is that it doesn't overrun either because it uses a series of sensors that sense the moisture inside the dryer when it's drying the clothes, and it'll switch off the dryer when the clothes are dry.
So it's only on when it has to be on.
Yes.
Again, saving.
Yes.
Back to that whole Bosch story of sustainability and energy efficient green machines. We have a prime example here of an energy efficient machine.
We certainly do, yeah.
Okay, so there you go. So it is a must. So if you want to find out more about Bosch heat pump tumble dryers, you can call into your local Euronics store, or you can visit us online at euronics.ie. Paula, as always, thanks very much.
Thanks, Robert.
Thank you.
Thank you.